Hi everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn 150 plus per day, and you're not going to need any experience and you're not going to need any money, okay? So this is for those who are broke and can't invest any money in themselves right now. So this is going to be a way for you to get some money in your pockets. All right, guys? So let's check it out right now. So the first thing I want to show you is PLR. What is PLR? PLR stands for private label rights, guys, okay? And what that means is that for internet marketing, private label rights is a license where the author sells most or all of the intellectual property rights to their work, and you can use that work however you please. So what you want to do is to find these PLRs for free and download them. Okay? So as you can see, I do free PLR downloads, and you can see there's tons of different sites. Okay? So you can go to more than one site as you wish, but I'm just going to show you, for example, one of these sites. So free PLR downloads. So you could get free ebooks basically done for you for free this way without, I'm going to put myself on this corner so you can see better. So this is a PLR site that you could download these free ebooks and turn around and sell them yourself, okay? So there's tons of different niches you can look into. So these are all the different topics they have. So the bigger the words are, the more of that type of ebook is available. So again, this is only one site. So you saw in the beginning, the Google search had a variety of sites that you can go to. So if you have a certain niche that you're looking for, like a certain type of ebook you're looking for, and you don't see it on this one, just go back to the Google search and look on a different site, okay? Let's say this sleep one, okay? Super Serenity Sleepers. So like for this sleep one, it talks about introducing Super Serenity Sleepers, the guide to sleeping productively. And it talks about what's inside, and it's got 35 pages, and the source file is not included. So this one, the license says master resale rights. Before I go any further, you might want to click on FAQ. If you're on a different site, maybe you want to check out their FAQs because you want to learn about what the different codes are, okay? So next to each of the ebooks, there's going to be different types of restrictions that you need to know about. So the one that I was looking at for the sleep, it said MRR beside it and said master resale rights. And I did not know what that meant. It means that you cannot edit anything on these, okay? But you can, it is forced to sell. You can sell it. And then there's unrestricted PLR up here, number 1. So this one you can do whatever you want to that. And so there are certain rules of the PLR that you need to abide by, okay? So some allows you to edit, but some don't allow you to edit, and some don't allow resale or giveaway. You see this? PUR. So you probably don't want to select anything that has PUR on it. And look, there's GAR means that you can only give it away. You cannot sell the item. So you want to make sure you're able to sell the item. Okay, so let's go back to the front here. Now, I was looking at the sleeping one here. And this one you are allowed to have resale rights, so that's good. So what you will do here is you gotta make sure you are grabbing the right download button because these are very tricky here because there's so many ads. So I believe it's this blue button. Yeah, see, now I can download that. And once I download that, then I have the actual is a zip file. So there might be several things in there. So what you do is you download one of these books, then you need a platform to sell, right? So how are you going to sell? You can sell is gumroad.com. This is a very easy way for you to get started to sell, okay, without paying anything, because you can start for free here, okay? So if you look at pricing, free to get started, professional features for just $10 a month. So when you actually do sell, I think this is where the charges come in, all right? So I think even if you are free, that means that you could get on for free and kind of put your product on for free, but once you start selling, you will be charged this amount per item sold. So this doesn't matter because by the time you sold something, you will have money coming in, so they just deduct it from your sale and then gives you the net amount, okay? And what you do here is simple setup. So I'll just go through these screens with you. Simple setup. Get started in seconds so you can create more. So you can see that this is the edit screen to put a product on the store, on your online store here. Sell directly to customers on your website. So you're going to get your own profile basically on this Gumroad site. They offer all the payment methods from all credit cards plus PayPal. So you'll be able to say yes and support all the payments that your customers want to buy with. And then they're going to have analytics for you, and you can manage your customers in there and also build an audience and keep in touch with your customers. So the most important aspect is that you want to be able to sell, right? So you're going to upload your file up here, and then you're going to pick the right button for the buy button, and you can customize it how you wish. But if you're on a free account, of course, free account is not going to give you a lot of options, so just remember that. And so what you're going to do is you're going to basically just download an ebook. Okay, of course you can have several ebooks. Okay, you're not just one ebook. And one of these ebooks could easily go for, it depends on how long it is and how much information is in there. You could sell it for maybe $17 or $27 a book, and you just sell a few of those a day or several. But you're not just gonna have one book, right? You can have several books on your shop. So you want to be able to go online and be able to sell this way. So once you are set up, then you can go on social media like Facebook or Twitter or forums like Quora. So like let's say Quora.com. How to sleep better. Look at all these different questions here that people are asking, right? So you could go to any of these questions and provide value first, of course. So what you want to do is, what should I do to sleep better? What you can do is answer some of these questions for these people. Tell them, maybe read the book, okay, that you're promoting. Read the book, see what tips they have, and say, hey, you could regurgitate some of these tips and say, hey, if you want more tips, I got these tips out of this book. It's not that bad. It's only whatever you could say. It's only $17 or $27, and I've been sleeping much better with this information. So check it out. But remember, you guys gotta provide value first. In order for people to be interested in what you have to offer, you need to provide value. Give them solid value content before you put the link in. If you're just gonna say, hey, check out my link, you're gonna sleep better, and it's not gonna help. It's not gonna work like that, okay? And you might get kicked out for just spamming links, okay? So remember to provide value first and then provide them with a link. And you can do this on Quora. You can do this in Facebook groups. You can search on Facebook, people asking about how to sleep better. You could do it on Twitter, hashtag how to sleep better. And you can find lots of different people who are having trouble sleeping, or whatever you're offering, they are having trouble. So you could just tell them some information, give them value, and then send them the link, and maybe they will check it out and even buy from your Gumroad shop, okay? And if you have more than one product in your Gumroad shop, then it's gonna look more like a real shop versus just like one item on there, okay? So you might want to think about looking for more sleep ebooks to sell from either this site or all the other sites that you could find on Google. But this is definitely one way you could really rack up money on how to make, over $100 a month this way, because as you keep going to answer people's questions out there, this becomes a snowball effect at a certain degree once you keep going, okay? So if you do have some money, but you don't want to go all over the internet like this, then it's just best for you to learn how to actually use a blog, okay? And Wealthy Affiliate does teach you how to build a blog that generates its own visitors. So people come to you instead of you go and service people. So blogging is very powerful in this way, guys, okay? You could attract people to you versus you going out to all these different sites to get people to look at your link. So what Wealthy Affiliate does is teach you how to build your website in a way that it attracts its own visitors like that, okay? And that is by getting ranked on Google, on search engines, what people are searching. You want your blog to get up there on Google so that you are found by other people who are searching for your information. So they come to you, guys. It's very powerful information. But you see that I have my little face on here, and in order for you guys to get my face on here, and you do want my face on there because I can help you on the platform. I am considered a super affiliate on the platform, so I can help you with the training. I can help you with your blog. I can help you answer any questions that you have. I offer this free coaching to all my premium referrals up there because this is how I started making money online, and this is the way how I was able to generate a full-time income using my website workanywherenow.com. Okay, guys, so you can do the same using this method, but I was going to tell you again, to get to this site with my face on it, you don't want to just go to wealthyaffiliate.com because then you won't see my face. I won't be your coach. So if you want my help though, please use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I'll be able to help you in your journey. Okay, guys? But you do start here for free as well. So you're right here, no credit card required, and you do get a free website. So if you're going to go this route, you could actually use just PayPal buttons. If you want to sell on your own website like this on Wealthy Affiliate, you could go on PayPal. If you have access to PayPal, you could go on PayPal.com, and they have buttons for you to just put PayPal buttons, and you could just create a page with your free PLR and put your pricing on there and put your PayPal button, and that's it. You could just start selling from that page, from that site that you just created. So it is not that hard, guys, okay? So check it out. I hope this is very informative for you. Remember, if you want to create a site here on Wealthy Affiliate, just use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope I will help you there in the near future, guys, okay? So I hope you liked this method today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright, guys? I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.